Hey there, science enthusiasts. Welcome back to Fab at Science. Are you ready to test your knowledge? Today, we're diving into the chemical effects of electric current, and we've got a fun quiz to see just how much you know. When an electric current flows through a conductor, it can cause chemical reactions, think electroplating, electrolysis, and more. Sounds cool, right? But how much do you really know about these electrifying processes? So, grab your pens, put on your thinking caps, and get ready for some questions that will spark your curiosity about how electricity and chemistry work together. You've got 10 questions to answer, and each one will test your understanding of how electric current can cause chemical changes. Let's see if you can ace this quiz and prove you're a pro in the world of electricity and chemistry. Are you ready? Let's go. Remember to read each question properly. Answer every question on a sheet of paper or your revision book. Review your answers. Question 1. Which of the following is an example of a chemical effect of electric current? A. Electroplating. B. Heating of a filament. C. Magnetic effect. D. Lighting a bulb. Answer A. Electroplating. Electroplating is a process in which a metal is deposited onto a surface using the chemical effect of electric current. Question 2. What is the role of the electrolyte in electrolysis? A. To conduct heat. B. To complete the circuit. C. To allow the flow of electric current. D. To reduce the resistance of the circuit. Answer C. To allow the flow of electric current. An electrolyte is a substance that conducts electric current by means of ionization during electrolysis. Question 3. What happens at the cathode during the electrolysis of water? A. Oxygen gas is produced. B. Hydrogen gas is produced. C. Chlorine gas is produced. D. No gas is produced. Answer B. Hydrogen gas is produced. During the electrolysis of water, hydrogen gas is produced at the cathode, which is the negative electrode, and oxygen gas is produced at the anode, which is the positive electrode. Question 4. Which of the following is not a product of the electrolysis of water? A. Hydrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Sodium hydroxide. D. Chlorine. Answer C. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is produced when electrolysis is carried out on salt solutions, not on pure water. Question 5. What is the primary purpose of using copper in electroplating? A. To reduce the cost. B. To enhance the appearance of objects. C. To increase the electrical conductivity. D. To prevent corrosion of the object being plated. Answer D. To prevent corrosion of the object being plated. Copper is often used in electroplating to coat objects to prevent rusting or corrosion. Question 6. In electroplating, which part of the circuit is the object to be plated connected to? A. Anode. B. Cathode. C. Battery. D. Electrolyte. Answer B. Cathode. In electroplating, the object to be plated is connected to the cathode, where it gains metal ions and gets coated. Question 7. Which of the following is a common electrolyte used in the electroplating of silver? A. Copper sulfate. B. Silver nitrate. C. Sodium chloride. D. Sulfuric acid. Answer B. Silver nitrate. Silver nitrate is commonly used as an electrolyte for the electroplating of silver. Question 8. Which of the following statements is true regarding electrolysis? A. Electrolysis is a physical process. B. Electrolysis involves only ionic substances. C. Electrolysis is the process of splitting molecules using light. D. Electrolysis can only be done with solid metals. Answer B. Electrolysis involves only ionic substances. Electrolysis involves the use of ionic substances, like salts or acids in solution, to produce chemical changes by the passage of an electric current. Question 9. Which gas is produced at the anode during the electrolysis of sodium chloride solution or brine? A. Oxygen. B. Chlorine. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Answer B. Chlorine. During the electrolysis of brine, chlorine gas is produced at the anode, while hydrogen gas is produced at the cathode. Question 10. Which of the following is a common use of electroplating? A. To purify metals. B. To decorate objects with a thin metal coating. C. To produce electricity. D. To change the chemical composition of an element. Answer B. To decorate objects with a thin metal coating. Electroplating is often used to coat objects with a thin layer of metal, such as gold or silver, for decorative purposes or to prevent corrosion. Summary 1. Electric current and chemical reactions. When an electric current passes through a conducting solution which is an electrolyte, it causes chemical reactions to occur. These reactions are called chemical effects of electric current. Electrolysis is one example of this phenomenon, where electric current splits compounds into their elements. 2. Electroplating and its uses. Electroplating is the process of using electric current to deposit a thin layer of metal, such as gold, silver, or copper, onto an object. This is done to improve the appearance, prevent corrosion, or enhance the properties of the object. The object to be plated is connected to the cathode and negative electrode during the process. 3. Electrolysis of water and other substances. During the electrolysis of water, hydrogen gas is produced at the cathode and oxygen gas at the anode. Electrolysis can also be used to decompose other substances like salts, for example sodium chloride, producing gases such as chlorine and hydrogen. 4. Applications of electrolysis. Electrolysis has various practical applications, such as in the extraction of metals from ores, for example extracting aluminum from its ore, purification of metals, for example copper purification, and the production of chemicals like chlorine and sodium hydroxide from salt. It is also used in industries like electroplating and the manufacturing of batteries. Wow, that was electrifying. How did you do? Whether you aced the quiz or learned something new, I hope you had a blast diving into the chemical effects of electric current with us today. Remember, understanding how electricity can cause chemical changes is not just fun, it's super important in everything from batteries to electroplating. If you enjoyed the quiz and want more science challenges, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an awesome video. Got questions or want to share your score? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Keep experimenting, keep exploring, and until next time, stay charged up with knowledge.